In Python, indentation defines code blocks, not curly braces as in C++ or Java. All statements are indented at the same level, belonging to the same block. If you remove or misalign the indentation, the Python raises indentation error. Every useful program makes decision and performs repetitive tasks. In Python, decision making is done using conditional statements like if, elif, and else. Python evaluates the conditions from top to bottom. First condition true conditions block executes and the rest are skipped. So you use elif when you have multiple decision branches. The for loop in Python iterates directly over a sequence. Here range 1,6 produces numbers from 1 to 5. Loop variable I takes each value in sequence and the body runs once per iteration. The while loop runs as long as condition remains true. We must manually update the variable, otherwise it becomes an infinite loop. Continue skips the rest of the block for that iteration. Break exits the loop entirely. Here 3 is skipped and the loop ends when I equals to 5. Arrays are containers like list but with a key difference. All elements must be of the same type. This makes them faster, more memory efficient when handling numeric data. So you create arrays using array module. When creating arrays, we specify a type code. So it tells Python what type of element will be stored and how much memory to allocate for each. The I type code stands for 4-byte integer and F and D are for floating point numbers. We can access elements in an array using indexing just like list. So index 0 gives the first item, negative indices count from the end. Arrays support many of the same operations as list. You can append elements, insert at positions, remove values. However, all inserted values must match the array's type code. Arrays support slicing. You can extract parts of the array using that notation, the start, colon, end. You can also iterate directly through the arrays using a for loop just like list. So arrays in Python can be nested to represent matrices. Here each row is an array itself. You can access elements using double indexing, first for the row, then for the column.